Alright, what's going on, guys? And today I just picked up a window AC. I've been carrying it for a while, letting the water drain out and giving myself a break. I'm tired, but it is a GE. I believe it's rebranded. Rebranded. I don't know. But what kind of fan does it have in it? It's got a regular scroll cage and it's got of course, everything. 5,000 BTU, all beat up. And I gotta carry it about halfway away from what it was. I just gotta carry it the other halfway. It's super heavy, but I mean that's an AC for you. But I'm gonna see what I can do with this thing and see if I can fix it. And if I can't, then I can't. If I can, I can. So it was in a shopping cart. I was gonna take the shopping cart, but then I was like, I don't have to deal with that. So, and here comes a car. So I'm gonna move this out of the way, of course. So, yeah, I'm gonna take this with me. And I'll fix it, so I go ahead, put the camera down there, I'll keep the video going until I get home. I'll test it there. So okay. This thing is heavy. See a squirrel. Hey, buddy. Hello, buddy. What you doing? Huh? What you doing? Huh? I take another break. Search my back. Man, there's nowhere over here. I think I should be able to carry it the rest of the way. From here, I'm hoping. This thing is full of water. Oh, man. And that's just a little 5,000 BTU. That thing's getting heavy. I mean, things get heavier after a while you hold it, but a couple people were arguing over there. All the dowels work, I think. It's off. High fan, low cool, high cool. And there's the thermostat. I heard it click, so that works. Put this to off. This all the way down. It doesn't have a filter in it, of course. It's got the thing you rotate to direct the air. This would be to the left. This would be, I don't know, that would be to the right. And then I guess that would be straight, I don't know. I don't like that kind, but anyways. I guess we'll keep going with this thing. Not gonna sit around and lounge all day. Like that for sure. What's up? This thing keeps slipping. slipping out of my grip. Take a break. This thing is dirty. This thing could probably work and just get clean up. There's no really good way to carry this, so that sucks. So I guess I'll keep going. I just hate that this thing, I keep losing it. Okay, I've got on my property, I got a couple fans there I gotta fix. They're cheap, so I don't even know if either one of them works. If they do, then I can fix them. But, I never really show myself on camera, but it's tiring. Got it here, now I just gotta carry it up front. Which I really do not want to do. The damn thing keeps slipping from my grip. It's so wet. That's what she said. But yeah. I had this video rolling for a while. Might be cutting the parts of this video that are pretty boring, so yeah. But so after the AC, we'll test it and everything, make sure it works. Let me make sure I have a clear path up here, so I can just go through with it. Stupid shopping cart. So Got it back here. This thing's zoomed in. Got it back here now, so. Look at my arm. Well, this will give it a whirl. Let's flip it on, see if it works. Something ain't right with this. Well, it doesn't work, so we'll see what's wrong with it. I'll make a part 2, so anyways, thanks for watching.